This is an elevator. Do you want to press it?
Yeah, I'll give it a push.
It's an old Cutler hammer button.
Here it comes.
Wow.
Right. Let's keep it open.
Oh my god. This is incredible.
The leveling's really bad.
This is incredible. I bet it's a winding drum.
Should be.
Wow.
Looks like it was maintained by Dover at one point.
Wow. Does it say Nock Garside? No, it doesn't.
Now there's a Dover sticker on that stop button though.
Wait, let's see if we can find the plate. Dude, this is incredible.
Yeah, it has a lot of Dover pieces. It's got some Dover mods.
Oh my god, look, there's the counterweight. This thing is so incredible.
There's a Dover car top thing.
Let's see.
Right there.
Oh, you're not kidding.
Yeah.
Dude, look, it says Nock Garside up there.
So this is a Nock Garside?
Yeah, look, it says Nock Garside.
Yeah. Yeah, right there.
Holy shit, this thing's incredible.
We're gonna give it a ride.
Oh, hell yeah.
Alright, go up first.
Sure.
Here we are in 3. I like that little mining light.
Oh, that's amazing.
Yeah, this thing is pretty cool. It looks like it's overhead. But
Oh, it is?
yeah, I think that's the machine.
Oh,
there.
right, you're not kidding, yeah.
It's hard to get a focus on it because it keeps focusing on the. Yeah, there's the machine.
Dude, look at the old hemp rope, the hemp governor rope.
Oh yeah.
That's so
There's
cool.
the-
Yeah, Dover definitely maintained this thing.
Yeah, Dover did a lot of cool.
Oh, look, there's a crumpled up pig mat up here. Oh, look, and then there's a can of Red Bull up there. Oh, look at this tiny COP.
Yeah, let's go ahead and press B.
Should we test the stop button?
Oh, we get stuck in this thing.
Oh, yeah.
I mean, it doesn't seem like it'd be necessarily a hard escape, but do we need to mess with it?
Nah.
Yeah, let's not.
Wow. I want to see what it looks like on the outside here.
The door hold itself? No.
Oh my god, this is so crazy. Dude, look at this.
Storage.
That's so cool. Alright, back up we go.
This is a big cab for a gator.
Yeah.
Like usually, me and Sam just barely fit. This is like a full freight-size cab.
This thing is so cool.
Let me see if I can get a good picture focus on the car panel here.
Oh yeah.
On the tiny little seat. See here, get a focus on it. I tried this earlier and it didn't. There we go.
Here, watch out. Let me get my thumbnail here. This is you want to hit
take
it or?
one more ride? Up
Sure.
there? And then we'll go back to 1 and then we'll head out of here.
I'll end it on 3. There's something I want to check out.
Okay.
Wow. This thing is incredible.
Smells like hydraulic too.
Oh yeah, it does. Look at the old door sensor. Look at that.
Yeah, it's got the rope sensor. See, watch, when you pull the door, there's that little thing, it moves. See a little weight?
Oh, that's the counterweight to close the gate.
Yeah. I imagine there's a contact on there that touches when it's closed.
Oh, for sure.
There we go.
Wow.
Close it up.
And
That's it.